Hey baby, and how you doing? I'm Linda Lynn, and I'm about to just take my head on right now. It's 5 days old, and it needs a lot of love and TLC. It need all of that. It need all the tender loving care it could get. So my main issue is shedding. I won't lie to you, baby. It's been an issue for years, and it has caused me so many setbacks. But today, we nipping that thing in the butts. And this is what I've been doing. Starting off on freshly shampooed hair. So we about to get into a shimmy and a bob shimmy, a shimmy and a bop shimmy. Okay, so now I'm breaking my hair down into full sections. I like to have my hair easy enough to work with, so I'm breaking it down, breaking it down, and then we're going to be able to move on into the next step, which is deep conditioning. You will now see me breaking that one section out of the four down even more so I can be able to thoroughly saturate my hair with water in this small subsection and also apply my extra virgin olive oil and protein deep conditioner of choice. Now we're going to apply our extra virgin olive oil. Get it right, Lynn. Get it right, Lynn. Get it. Now, the extra virgin olive oil will go onto the shaft of the hair and the ends of the hair, meaning I'm not putting the oil directly towards the scalp. This is what helps me to just retain a little bit more moisture from using my protein mask or protein deep conditioner of choice. And we will be finger detangling our hair with the oil on it and just squeezing the hair with the oil to make sure that the hair is being thoroughly saturated with that oil, because I'm low porosity and this is what I do in my hair. So you will see me just being real gentle and finger detangling. Now I'm just taking the protein mask of choice and I am going to put it into the palms of my hands and I'm going to warm that product up. This is the best way to get it to apply to your hair evenly and smoothly. So rub that thing together in the palms of your hands like baby. Y'all know baby from Cash Money. So rub it together and then you are going to apply it onto the hair with the smoothing technique, and then you are going to go into like this good detangling session with whatever detangling tool you're using. I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser, and I love this thing. It works well for me, especially after finger detangling my hair. told you some people don't know what's abnormal and normal shedding. For this particular wash day, I shedded probably, you know, a half a size of a hairball for some folks. But it's all gone, it's all out. And the key factors to take away from this video is that you have to be patient with your hair. You have to pay attention to your hair. So many people keep tabs on what everybody else does with their hair to where they can't really tell you what their hair likes and what their hair doesn't like. So take time out to study and learn your hair. Learn what's actually going into your body. Learn what you need to know about your health, because I'm anemic, you know, and I'm combating that right now by taking blood builders. And if you would like to try it, it will be in the description box below. So click in the description box below. The link will be there. I've been taking blood builders and my hair has drastically changed from shedding. Now, pregnant, postpartum shedding was the beast, baby. It was bigger than this. So I was shedding around this much hair in September, and now January, here we go on a regular wash day, you know, on a wash day that I'm deep conditioning using a protein deep conditioner, which is probably every 1 to 2 times a month, depending on what's going on with my hair and my health. But since there is a drastic difference, baby, you already know. Like, I took out the twist because I just make sure I'm getting all the shit hair out. So yeah, we about to go and shimmy. We about to go and shimmy. Hey, 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 we about to go and shimmy. We about to go and shimmy. We about to go and shimmy, 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 shimmy. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop that in the comment box below, because baby, I would love to talk to you. And yeah, let me know how your wash days have been going with deep conditioning. How often do you do it? Do you use protein deep conditioners? I know a lot of people using Alpha G, baby. I'm not that girl. I ain't about to play around with it. I ain't that girl. All I know is that what I've been doing has been working. The proof is in the pudding and the proof is in the strands. So I'm signing out of this piece, you all. Have a blessed one. And check that description box out. Okay, check it out. It's action packed down there. I'm out of here now. Bye. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Hey, hey, okay, I'm getting water all over the place. Let me chill out. Let me chill out, baby.